Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, thank you for tuning in. And for those of you who've already subscribed, thanks again for tuning in. Excuse me. Today I'm going to show you basically how I get ready when I want to have some kind of makeup on my face, but don't want to go the full step of putting on foundation, primer, and all that fun stuff. So this is a no foundation look for you guys. And it's only using about 6 or 7 products, so really not that many. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. First thing that I do is I go in with my all-time favorite concealer, the Flower Beauty by Drew Barrymore, which this is thebomb.com. I really love this concealer. It's very brightening. I turned my mom onto it. She really likes it. A lot of the YouTubers, the successful YouTubers, really enjoy this foundation. I'm sorry, not foundation, concealer. And I picked it up because, one, you know me, I'm all about saving money. And this is a very affordable concealer. And my Walmart has it, which I'm super excited about because everything I've tried from Flower Beauty, I really enjoy. So all I did was, as you can see, I put concealer on my chin, covering my zits, down my nose, like in my T-zone area, up on the forehead and all that fun stuff. Just blending it out. I also like to bring it onto my eyelid just to help brighten it up a bit, since we aren't putting any eyeshadow on today. This is just to make you look a little bit more alive. When I wake up at 5:30 every morning, do my fasted cardio, I kind of want to look alive. Because let's face it, I'm not a morning person, so getting up that early, not fun for me at all. So, put the concealer on. Now I'm going in with my Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Finishing Powder. The two of these together are beautiful. It does help to minimize pores, but it does give you a brightening effect. Some people don't like that, but I do. It's a white powder, so it is going to kind of give you that white brightening effect. So if you're not into that, then I'd stay away from this powder, but I really enjoy it. I think it really works well. It doesn't cause any creasing throughout the day. Like I said, they work really well together. So once that is done, I'm not going to just be all pale in the face. I go in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is just the bronzer color. I recently picked up, which my Walmart had. A lot of you guys don't have it. Apologize, but my Walmart did. It had that Physicians Formula palette with the bronzer, the blush, and the 2 highlights, which I picked up the deep to medium, or the light, whatever it's called, medium to deep, I think. And I know you're probably like, Amanda, you're really pale, and I know. But the blush that was in the light palette is just so, it doesn't show up on the skin because I have it, and it's just a very natural look. I wanted something to actually pop on the cheeks, so that's why I went in with that one. In all honesty, the bronzer isn't that much darker in color than this. You just have to really use a light hand with it, but with all the butter bronzers, they're really easy to blend out. The only thing that I find with that one is it looks a little orange. So that's my only complaint with it, but I found that if I use a lighter hand, I'm really good to go on that. So all I'm doing, putting it on, bronzing up the face so I don't look super pale and have some color to me. Bringing it down under the chin, on the neck. And then just whatever's left on my brush, I kind of just dust it all over the face to give some color and lively to me. And just to blend it out a little bit more so it's not a super stark contrast. Just going in with a brush, fluffy brush. And then, because you know I can't live without my highlight, going in with my Wet n Wild highlight, and this is the Mega Glow one, and this is the color Royal Calyx, if I said that correctly. I was looking for this color for the longest time, and I don't have a brush. I'm not traveling all the way back upstairs for it. I know, lazy, but what can you do? So I'm just gonna take the brush that I blended out with and see if that works, and dust it onto the cheekbones. It's not really working, so we're just gonna take it on the finger, and look at that, super highlighted. And now I'm gonna take it and blend it out. But I digress. I was looking for this one because I wanted to try it, because my favorite color is purple, and it is a really pretty purpley blue highlight. Just something to add to my collection. So you don't need an intense highlight because we're not really doing a full face look today. I'm sorry, I'm coughing, stravogging all over the camera. I've had a cold for 2 whole weeks, I'd say. So I'm still getting over it slightly. Going in with my brows, I recently dyed them so they're not as sparse looking as they usually are. Going in with, to keep Wet n Wild true, with the medium brown. It's just a dual eyebrow brush with the spoolie end. So all I do with this is literally just outline the bottom of the brows. So that's the only areas where I really have sparse hairs, or they're not growing in. I'm working on growing them, which I will be doing a video on the products that I've been using that I found have really helped. And I'll show you pictures of how thin I used to have my eyebrows, because we all know that was in style, and now it's have thick ones. I don't want thick brows because it doesn't look good with my face. I'm just trying to grow them back so they're not super thin, because that's not pretty. Then, just to go over my brows to keep everything tamed and nice and manicured, I'm going with the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in medium. This is my favorite brow tint because I actually feel like it does cover in the sparse hairs. It just does a wonderful job, and for $10, can't really do anything wrong with that. I've tried other brow tints and they don't really do anything for me. This one actually does color them, which is a positive. Some people don't like this one, I've read on reviews at Ulta, but I really enjoy it. I think it's better than most drugstore cruelty-free ones. And last but not least, we're going in with mascara. My favorite, Lash Princess by Essence. The green bottle, this one I enjoy more than the other ones, just because I'm dropping everything left and right today, just because this one I feel like really lengthens the lashes. Doesn't give you much volume, so that's something people like to complain about, because wouldn't be life without people complaining. I'm one of them. Just ask my parents. And what was I saying? Yeah, but I really like this one because it really lengthens, and I feel it lasts pretty much all day. For $5, I mean, you really can't complain. It's not going to be the best, but it's not the worst either. Like I said, I just like it because it really gets on my contact. Hold the phone. Anyway, like I was saying, I just like it because it really lengthens my lashes. And I've also been growing out my lashes, so maybe that's why they look so long too. But I just really enjoyed this mascara. Better than some of my higher end ones, because I have the Better Than Sex Too Faced one, and this one's just a lot darker in color. This one's just a lot darker and darker black. The Too Faced one, I don't know, it's not as dark as I like my mascara. But I don't know, I like it. It's spidery look. Some people don't like that, but I don't mind it. And especially when you're doing minimal makeup like this, it's nice, in my opinion, to at least have your brows on and your mascara done. You can do the bottom lashes if you want. And that's about it. I already have some, like a lip tint on. No idea who this is by, because as you can see, it's like totally faded away. But just a pink, nice springy color for you. So it's literally all I do for the morning when I don't want to take very much time putting foundation on and all that fun stuff. So really it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products. I mean, you can include the 2 eyebrow things I do as 1, I guess, so 7. But really takes 5 minutes. It's really not that complicated, and it makes you look alive, healthy, and vibrant and ready to start the day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing an upcoming video on Flower Beauty, as that's my favorite drugstore brand at this time. Everything I've tried from them, Drew Barrymore's collection, I really enjoy. So stay tuned for that. And if you've used any of these products and really like them as much as I do, comment down below and let me know. If you want to try out this look, comment down, let me know how it goes and how long it takes you to get ready in the morning. Thanks so much again for watching, guys. And like always, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Thanks, guys. Until next time. Bye.